Let me ask you a question around that. How do you balance that? You talked about managing spend and the balance between how much money goes to creative and how much goes to the actual media itself, what goes to production, but still being quantitative, data driven, focused on outcomes and how this impacts the bottom line ultimately. How do you balance that? The alchemy of kind of art and science, as it were, the quantitative and the qualitative aspects of building a campaign. How do you think about those two things?
Yeah, and I mean, probably take e-commerce as an example because it's a good, kind of a good starting point. But I think, as I think people say a lot, now that kind of creative is the targeting on, it's especially true
Mm.
for Facebook and Instagram. And it's definitely the most important variable in your performance, and even just targeting as far as like what the media buyer is doing in the Meta backend is just much less important than it was 7 years ago or whatever.